Hi guys, so today we're going to clean the microwave and we got this funky little microwave volcano thing and I'm going to open it and show you what's inside because you gotta like fill it with water and vinegar. So there's water and vinegar, we've already filled it, so there's that. All you do is you fill it up and whatever. I'm just looking for the lines, give me a minute. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. That's the vinegar line, and the water line's the one I showed you before, apparently. Okay, and we just stick it in for 6 minutes. And then another 1 minute. Apparently, I didn't record in between. Oops. And then we're done. I'm going to take this out very carefully because it's hot. Oh my lord, okay. Carefully take it out. Alright, there we go. Stick it on the stove. And then we're gonna wipe this down. I'm gonna try to record and wipe this down. Yeah. It's coming off pretty good. Yeah, see. Alright, take the thing out. Wipe it all down. See how the gunk's coming off. Yeah, apparently I had random things in the back of the microwave. Cool. Popcorn bits or whatever. Just get that out of there. Okay. So, just wipe it down. Nope. Sorry, apparently the lighting sucks in my microwave. It's all being wiped down. Oh, stuff. Switch hands. Okay. See how tiny? Like just that little square there. It's not an easy thing to clean or film because it's in a strange spot. It's not at a level where you could like scrub it standing up, so I was kind of sitting on the floor doing this. It's in a stand. Yeah. Okay, so the top was really tough, so we put it in again for another 6 minutes. And then, again for a minute. And then we're going to take it out again, because the top was really gunky. And then we're just going to wipe it down again. And if I can get it out of there. It's really hot. Okay, there we go. Maybe, no, not going to work. Okay. I was just praying the thing wouldn't fall apart. Okay. There, now we've moved it. And we're going to move the tray and put it in the sink. to wipe it down later. The tray washed really well. This is the most difficult part because you can't really see the top of the microwave very well. Oh, there's the top of my microwave stand. That needs to be cleaned. Anyway. Alright, let me just get situated. Okay, I think I got it. So I'm just gonna scrub this down. This is like the worst view of any of my videos ever. And I do apologize. Okay. Anyway, I don't even know if I end up scrubbing all of it off by the end of this video, but we did end up scrubbing it. I'm just not sure if I recorded it. And it's pretty freaking clean. So it works really well. I don't know what the name of it is. It's like a microwave volcano or something. I got it from, oh boy, see how, yeah, but it wiped off really well. I just needed some elbow grease, and then there's my cookbook. Oh, this was so difficult to record. But yeah, it came clean. I got it off